Assalamu alaikum. In this lecture, we will learn about default values of static variables. Create a new project. Create a new package. And create a new Java class. Let's create few variables like boolean, character, double, float, long, integer, short, byte. Create main method. Let's copy these variables to our main method. Change this my to local. Print values of these variables. So as you can see that we cannot access these variables. We need to assign static. So when we add static to these variables, now we can use these variables. Let's copy all of these lines and change these to local variables. And here you can see that we have error. Variable local boolean might not have been initialized. We have to assign values to our variables, but static variables have default values. We don't need to assign a default value to our static variable. Let's execute this. And here you can see that we have local variables and here we have static variables. And static variables by default have their default values. Now let's import static methods. We will use import static, and let's take example of java.lang and system.out. So now we don't need to use system as we have used this static method. So static methods are directly accessible. And let's take another example from math functions like pi or minimum. And we can write this math.py. We can remove math and include pi here. In the same way we can include min. But when we remove individual methods and use static, then it will include all the static methods of math class. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to check out more lessons like this, then please subscribe to the channel and like the video. If you have any question, then leave it in comment section. See you in the next lecture. Take care. Bye bye.